Well, it sort of all started 2011, I guess, with oil and gas really booming here in Calgary, having a hard time finding buyers. Was sort of the biggest driver. So 2012, we started a procurement center in Arizona and had a team of up to five buyers down there purchasing for our facility here. And then 2015, we were looking for expansion. We tested the acquisition market, had a look at what was around in various areas. In the US, since we already had something established in Arizona, it was easy transition, sort of just to go find a building, transfer some equipment down, and begin as a greenfield operation. Long-term customers and our long-term employees, right? I think that bodes really well to say how and what we do as a company is probably what I'm most proud of. And thank you to my family, because it's, there's been a lot of time and effort that's gone into everything, and they've been a big part of that all the way through it.